Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hi your girl, Debbie from Dung, Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're so new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of the journey and are still there with me, manners and respect. Now today's video is just about sharing with you how I do my fricassee chicken. Some people say fricassee chicken, some people say chicken fricassee. If you want to say chicken fricassee chicken, or you want to put it at the front, you want to put it at the back, in the middle, wherever, I'm sharing with you my version of fricassee chicken. Now, fricassee chicken to me is like a little family to brown stew chicken. I would think they're family. For me, the difference is, let me point out the few differences to you. The fricassee chicken, you don't brown it. When you're browning it, you don't let it get as high color as the brown stew. And you do it down in a gravy, a thick gravy with little condiments like your tomatoes, your carrots, and your Irish potato, and other little things. This is what I have, and this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. Now right here, and I think you should season it with less of, like, you know what I'm saying? Less condiments. You know, some people that rub up this with them sweet pepper and them this. I haven't any scallions in this, but when I'll be making, when I'll be graving it down, I will be using the scallions. So I have mine here all seasoned, and this is what it looks. I'm using some chicken thighs, and I would suggest you use it in size like this, because when it browns and cooks down, it is going to become smaller. So I have 4 chicken thighs right here, and I've leave the skin on, and I'll be leaving them with the skin on. Season to your liking. I've seasoned with garlic, ginger, a little black pepper, a little salt. That is all I seasoned with. Right on over here, I've got some chicken oil in my pot right here being preheated, and when I'm finished browned off, I might remove some of my oil. You have got to have the oil being preheated reasonable amount for the skin to take that little color that you want. Remember, don't do it as dark as the brown stew. So my oil is right here, and it could be a little hotter, so I'm going to bring up my flame a little more. So you put it in your oil reasonably well on the skin side down, and we're going to leave it open. We're going to brown it off open. Okay? And this is going to give off some extra odors coming up. So if you have your kitchen and it's an open concept and you can't close the door to the living room, you might want to use the water with some vinegar in there to pull away the flavors. Or if you have your range hood up top, you use it. On medium, it wasn't on medium. I made that mistake. I was preheating on low, so it's now up to the medium. So we're going to be frying off this from side to side, not too brown as the brown stew, as I told you. So we're going to be frying off this on the medium, and whilst that is there frying on the medium, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be getting all these little things ready, because we're going to use these to make a thick, rich gravy. So we're going to go now whilst that is frying off, and we're going to prepare these. When we return, these should be properly fried off. I'll show you when I return how they should be looking, and we will be ready to make our gravy. We are doing today, we're sharing at least today with you, fricassee chicken. We soon come. Okay, now family, we have finished browning off our chicken, and this is the color you want, light brown. Remember, when you're doing the brown stew, you would get it a little, not little, lots more darker. So you want to brown it off like this. Remember, I told you the color of it should be lighter than the brown stew. That is the very first thing. So we have it all brown off right here, and you have to make it really juicy and succulent. So we have some juices running from the chicken, so you know it's browned off, but it's not properly cooked. So there's a certain amount of succulency still left in this chicken, even though we have browned it off. So right on over here, I want you to look at how you want your pot to be looking after you have browned it off. You want to have, we have moved most of the oil, excess oil. This is chicken oil, and you can always cool this and use it for further chicken cooking. So this is how you want the bottom of your pot looking. So what we are going to be putting in there now, and I eat almost, you're going to be putting in our pimento seeds. And remember I told you to wash your pimento seeds. We are using rosemary instead of thyme, some chopped tomato and some chopped onions, okay? So you want to put that down right in there. So now that you have put that down in there on this I eat, you want to start getting this high heat. You want to get it cooked and and my daughter-in-law is behind the camera today. Big her up in the comment section, so I have to behave myself. I can't be hilarious as you all say. Because she said me hilarious to me give joke. So she said me have to behave myself. Because you know how it goes? So you want the tomato. Use the tomato. It is what is going to help to give the color. If you have more than what I'm using, you use some more. So we want to get this tomato thing here rub out. So we've got the tomato going on. Hot water, as you know, you've got to have hot water. And the very high heat, a little, not all, or not a lot at once. Look at this. Look at this. If you cut the camera, can you catch them? This is the color that the tomato is giving. You want the gravy to remain at this color. So we depend on the high heat and all of that. And all of that. Now we've got right here some carrots. We're going to put in with carrot then. We have got some Irish potato that we cube, but we have to put them in the water because we don't want to oxidize or turn black. It's a simple thing, okay? Right there. High heat at this point. Now we want to put in a little black pepper. We're going to be putting in a little cayenne pepper. Not a lot, not a lot. And now we have got to be putting in some scallions also. So we soon come back. We got our scallions. We soon come. Scallions, frozen scallions, or if you have fresh ones just like this, not chop it up. Right in. Look at this. Look at what is happening right there. That time like you're in on this. Okay. Now we want to get some more water because we're going to make a thick gravy. So you're going to rinse out what you had your chicken to make that little flavor there. Right in there. I'm going to throw some excess water right there. Hold it on them, that time long. Look at this. This is the color. So what we're going to do right there, so now, we're going to get our flame down to about a little less than medium. We want to make this thing, the scallions and everybody start blending with what we have there. Look at this. Look at the color of the gravy. So we're going to get it maybe about 3 minutes at this space and let the vegetables, like the carrots and the Irish, let them get a little cook. I remember them not cook, them not start cooking and the chicken is half cooked. 3 to 5 minutes, and when we return, we're going to put in them chicken there and we're going to show you how we gravy down for the fricassee chicken. See? Now family, we eat. This is what you have. Shoot them up that time. We're on the simmering. Look at the gravy. Look at this gravy. So we're going to turn it off now because we know that everything is ready. Look at the succulency. And you see a little noodle them. You see a little teeny noodle them in it. Oh, it look good? Yeah. This is the color that the fricassee chicken carries. This is supposed to be the color of the fricassee chicken family. So I want to let you know it has some little things in common with the brown stew. But it's a different thing, if you see what I'm talking about. So, make me see if we can get some of this thing. I'll plate up now. We are going to remove our rosemary. And look, let me tell you about it. That gravy from the fricassee chicken, it doesn't have no greasy look. You'll see as I go along. Somebody had asked me about the scallions. So why we not eat with green scallions? I did say on prior videos, we can have this. Me eat them. I do eat them. But when they are cut smaller, but I like to cook it. But this as it is, it can be eaten. Okay? But we as Jamaicans, we don't know why we keep removing it. Look at this. Make sure when it finishes, you have the little noodle them on top. You know, that is if you use Maggi noodle. If you don't use Maggi noodle, don't worry yourself. Use what you want, okay? Don't bother look at it and say, "Me not use the Maggi noodle." Just don't use it if you don't. So look at this. This is how your fricassee chicken. Look, we are going now, and we are going to spoon on the nice little pretty gravy with all them little condiments and sitting here. This is how you serve it. And when we return, we'll be presenting to you. Okay? Okay, now family, so here you have it. This is my fricassee chicken. You saw me, I did it from scratch. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, and most of all, to your, did I say family table? Well, if I said it, to your family table once more, please do enjoy. Okay? Look at our potatoes. Look at it. They are cooked and they are intact. Alright, hello. May I feed this? You see? How do you feel? Now, so nice. Look at it. If you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to like. Remember to share. Remember to subscribe. Please remember that we do have our PayPal button on our channel. And also, I am asking those that are in Jamaica, Kingston and St. Andrew for a little patronage on the 26th. We have posted it on Instagram. And we are going to be leaving all the information in the description of this video. My daughter-in-law is having a fried chicken and fries feast, so where you get 2 pieces of chicken, serving of fries, slice of cake, and a juice for just only $1,000 Jamaican dollar, you know, just $1,000. If you're at work on the 26th of this month, which is next Friday, and you'd like us to drop it off, place your order, we'll present it, we'll deliver for you free of cost. If you want, we can drop it home for anybody home. If you want to drop it at school for your kids, we will do just that. Okay? PayPal button donation. Thank you so much for those who are donating, those who have done already. And we have got a P.O. Box now. So we are going to leave in all of that in the description. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. Subscribe, thumbs up. When you subscribe, hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave your comments below. That is how you become a member of the notification crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to L.I. Schooner. Big up yourself, L.I. Schooner. I pray to God and I hope you do eat fricassee chicken. Once more, Debbie from Yaad. Bless, no stress.